Hello guys, welcome back. In the previous video, we learned about why do we need user schema. In this video, we will create a user schema and we will add all the important attributes. The first thing you need to do is you want to create a new folder and give it a name model. So right click on here and it's gonna be models. This folder will hold all the models like user, review, and many more. Now you want to right click on the folder and you want to create a new file and you want to give it a name user.js. You need to import Mongoose dependencies, so cons mongoose require mongoose, and next thing is schema. Schema is just an object so that you can create a user blueprint. So let us dive into creating user schema. So let's go ahead and do that. These are the attributes that we need to have for each of our customer. First is email. The email of the user, it has to be unique and lowercase, so it cannot be duplicated in the future. And the data type is a string. Next is name. Name is just, so that user can have a name. And the data type is string. Next is password. Same thing, string. Picture, string. Is seller. So when you want to sign up, you have a choice to be a seller or not. The data type is a Boolean, true or false. And we put by default false because, we want that technically every user who sign up is not a seller because you have a choice to be a seller or not. And then we have address. Pretty straightforward. Address 1, address 2, all string, city, state, country, postal code. Last thing is created. Data type is date, because whenever a new user is created, it will store the time when the user sign up. In this video, we learn how to create our first schema, which is user schema. In the next video, we will learn how to create a user password. I'll see you guys in the next video.